Hi, I'm Craig, Product Manager in LED Lighting for Luceco plc. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look into the new weatherproof non-corrosive luminaire from Luceco and how its speed for installation process can improve your time on site. The new climate non-corrosive luminaire from Luceco is available in 4 foot, 5 foot and 6 foot lengths with single and twin output options. It comes with or without integral emergency and dimmable control gear. It's IP65 rated, making it suitable for industrial applications when there's a high risk of dust, water or particle ingress. Both the housing and the diffuser are made from robust polycarbonate, and it comes with stainless steel clips as standard. And all luminaires in this product range come with a 5-year warranty. No matter what products you're used to installing, fluorescent or LED, most installers will be used to the time-consuming process of undoing all the clips, removing tubes and then removing the metal gear tray, to finally gain access to the terminal block for wiring. And guess what? Repeat in reverse to reassemble. No more. Those days are gone. Now it's all about speed fit. And our new climate luminaire has been designed to give you a very fast fix. Simply unclip the diffuser, push your flex through the 20mm cable entry point, then wire into the perfectly located terminal block. Connect the plug and play connectors before shutting the diffuser and reapplying the stainless steel clips. And you're done. Time to power up your luminaire. Now I know what you're thinking, that was so fast, what have I actually missed? Well, instead of removing tubes or messing around with metal gear trays, we've embedded the LED PCB within the actual diffuser, completely removing the need for a metal gear tray and reducing your installation time. Another benefit of embedding the LED PCB in the diffuser is it protects from any potential damage of the LEDs while you're installing on site. For further information on the climate non-corrosive luminaire, check out our website at www.luceco.com. And if our climate luminaire wasn't fast enough for you, take a look at the Luxpack Batten video for a super speed fit installation. Links in the description below. We would love to hear your thoughts and feedback, so please like and comment. Stay up to date with our product ranges by subscribing, and until next time, thank you and goodbye.